Hi fashion doers and beauty doers. I'm going to review today the Boxy Charm Galaxy Glow Box for the month of February 2018. So let's get started. Here's a glance of everything that is going to be inside the box for this month. And as you know, the box is $21 and you get a load full of name brand full-size products. So head on over to Boxy Charm. See? Place your orders today. Alrighty, let's get started. So first up, we will start with, actually, instead of the brushes, we're going to start with the Naked Cosmetics. This is the highlighter palette. And I love the package. It's so pretty. Okay. And these are the colors here. Interesting. I never really would have selected any of these colors for a highlighter, but hey, it's a first for everything. We could try it on different occasions, right? Okay. Moving right along, we have the Smoky Eye Pencil from Vintage. I never heard of that brand before. So, let's see if I can swatch it really quickly. Okay. Okay. It's really easy to glide on. It's a pencil, but it's not hard and cracky. It's actually very soft and easy to glide on your face. So, anyway, next up, corrects. And I thought this is actually very beautiful. I'm swatching it now. I'm sorry, guys, for taking you away from the camera, but here we go. Isn't that beautiful? Little sparkles. I feel like a little unicorn. Eee. So cute. Yeah, cute. I like it. Now, you know, sometimes you get some things in a box that you not necessarily needed or wanted, but I think this would be it. And it's the Pure Cosmetics. It's like a lip exfoliator. However, it also has plumping capabilities. It plumps up your lips. And I'm trying to get you to, oh, there we are. See? And you just glide it. And it's like sugar, you know, like granulates. Granulates of granulated sugar. Hello, can I speak today? My goodness. Okay, and as you see, these are the contour brushes from Crown. It's a trio brush set. Manufactured price is $29.99. And it says this is used to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal and any imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones. And I can barely read this, guys. Hello. Can you help me read that? The perimeter of the face. Finally, the large brush is a powder brush. Cool. Sets everything in place. Okay. So everybody needs some brush sets. Okay. Alrighty. Moving right along. 20% off card. Code FX Charm. On your next purchase, you could save 20% off your cover FX. And that is actually the little flickers of sparkle. Isn't it gorgeous? Beautiful color. So, you know, this actually would have been great to have for January. In the month of January. When you have a lot of parties and things of that nature to go to. Or even New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, depending on how often you party. So, anyway, that's it for the February box 2018 for Boxy Charm. Let me know what you think and if it's worth it to you. I certainly think so. I got most of the things. And as you see, the pricing of most of these products, full size, $39.99 for the Naked Cosmetic Palette, $28 for Cover FX. The pencil is $21. Smoky Eye Pencil, the Complexion Authority Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator from Pure. That's You see the price there? Girl, that's just a lot. And the Crown Pro Trio Brush set is $29. So all of that for a little of that. $21. Okay, head on over. Tell them Fashion Dudes, Beauty Dudes sent you. Thank you. I'll see you later, guys.